इन कंटिन्यूएशन टू द काइनेटिक थ्योरी ऑफ गैसेस, आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम जो है तो रूट मीन स्क्वायर RMS स्पीड का इक्वेशन डिराइव करने जा रहे हैं। तो RMS जो है ये R, ये M और ये S लेकर ये RMS शॉर्ट फॉर्म बना है। तो रूट मीन स्क्वायर speed of gas, and it is represented by the symbol VRMS. Already I have introduced this term to you in the earlier lecture और एक बार आप उसका इक्वेशन देख लीजिए। लेकिन अब हम थोड़ा इसके आगे इसका इक्वेशन डिराइव करने जा रहे हैं। हमने जो है तो प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय एन एनक्लोज्ड गैस उसका इक्वेशन डिराइव किया था। वो था P इज इक्वल टू 1/3 into Nm upon V into V स्क्वायर बार। ये इक्वेशन पिछले लेक्चर में हमने डिराइव किया था। इस इक्वेशन के अंदर P प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय द एनक्लोज्ड गैस है, N टोटल नंबर ऑफ गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स है, स्मॉल n मास ऑफ वन गैस मॉलिक्यूल है, V वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस है और V स्क्वायर बार ये है मीन स्क्वायर वेलोसिटी, मीन स्क्वायर वेलोसिटी V स्क्वायर बार। Now we are interested in deriving the equation for VRMS. So that's why for the time being I will take this V square bar on one side and keep all other terms on the other side. तो V square bar का equation बन जाएगा V square bar is equal to, this will become 3PV upon, ये term division में चले जाएगा, upon NM. We have ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT. In this equation, again P is pressure, V is volume, N is number of moles, R is universal gas constant, and T is the absolute temperature. Now this value of PV I am going to substitute in the equation of V square bar. Then this equation becomes V square bar is equal to 3 into, instead of PV I am now putting nRT upon Nm. So this is the new equation I have got for V square bar. Now further I am going to change this equation a further more. If you remember, I just now told you that n, this small n, is equal to number of moles. Number of moles. And this number of moles, n, small n, is equal to, this is equal to n upon Na. N upon Na, where this Na is called as Avogadro's number. Na is Avogadro's number. Na is equal to Avogadro's number. Now from this I got the value of small n is equal to n upon Na, which I am going to substitute in the equation of V square bar. Now the equation then changes to, if I substitute this small n in this equation, then V square bar becomes equal to 3 into, instead of small n I am putting n upon Na into RT, and upon it is Nm. So let me extend this, Na into Nm. So what I did in this step, I have substituted the value of small n in this equation as n upon Na. So now the equation then becomes V square bar is equal to 3 nRT upon Na into n into m. Now as you can see that n and n will get cancelled, and now I will get V square bar is equal to 3 RT upon NA into M. Now furthermore इस इक्वेशन को हम आगे और सॉल्व करेंगे. If we solve that equation, this equation, in this equation, this NAM is nothing but M0. NAM is equal to M0, which is molar mass, of the gas. So now again this equation V square bar then becomes, इस equation में हम Na into M हटा के M0 डालेंगे, तो we will get, therefore V square bar is equal to 3RT upon M0. But VRMS is equal to square root of V square bar. So I have got the value of V square bar as 3RT upon M0, and if I want VRMS, it is equal to the square root of V square bar. VRMS is equal to square root of V square bar. So now the above equation then changes to, therefore VRMS is equal to, I'll substitute the value of this V square bar which I have derived there in the step. So VRMS will become equal to square root of 3RT upon M0. So this is the final equation for the RMS speed of gas. So from this equation I conclude that the conclusion which we will get from this equation is that this VRMS is directly proportional to square root of absolute temperature T. VRMS is inversely proportional to the square root of molar mass. So these are the two important conclusions from this equation. You have to remember this VRMS equation. Root mean square speed of gas is equal to square root of 3RT upon M0. In this equation, R is the universal gas constant, T is the absolute temperature, M0 is the molar mass, or it is also called as the molecular weight. And from this equation, we got these two important conclusions. If you increase the temperature, the VRMS speed value will increase. If you decrease the molecular weight, molar mass, VRMS will increase. So comparatively, if we have say oxygen molecule and H2 molecule, so M0 for oxygen, O2 is greater than M0 for hydrogen. So that is why, according to this relation, the VRMS value of hydrogen will be more than those of oxygen molecule, oxygen gas. So this is the comparison using this equation. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we'll continue with the new topic.